Your choice, your loss. Let's be honest, hindi pinipilit ng Diyos ang kaligtasan. Hindi siya namimilit, hindi siya namumuwersa. It's freely offered, open for everyone, paid in full by Jesus. Pero here's the reality if you reject it. It's your loss. Not because God stops loving you, but because you are walking away from the only real source of life, hope, and salvation. Hebrews 2 verse 3, how shall we escape if we neglect so great salvation? Parang may lifeline ka na habang lumulubog ka, pero ikaw pa yung bumibitaw. Hindi dahil walang tumulong sa'yo, kundi dahil ayaw mong tanggapin ang tulong. Salvation is not just an invitation, it's a decision. So the question is, hindi offered ba siya? Kasi oo, ang tanong, tatanggapin mo ba? Kasi grace is available, pero kailangan mo itong tanggapin. Choice mo yan. But remember, rejecting it means missing everything God already prepared for you.